what better way for me to kick off my Lego building video series on this channel than with a combination of creativity and nostalgia. As a huge fan of both Lego and Pixar, I couldn't resist getting my hands on the Wall-E and Eve 2023 Lego Brickheadz release. If you've been following my channel for a while or you watched this video at the beginning of 2023, then you would have known this video was coming. I'm not only a big Lego fan, but also a big Pixar fan. And Wall-E, controversially to many, is my favourite Pixar film to date. I'm excited, I've got the box right here. So let's start with the unboxing and get right into the process of building. And look, there are the 3 bags. We're gonna start the build. And we've got Wall-E and Eve. I'm gonna obviously build Wall-E first. And these are Brickheadz 193 and 194. There's 155 pieces for this build, so let's go. Let's get it going on. I always like to keep them a bit separate so I know like roughly what bag they've come in. I like to lay out pieces on the instructions so I can feel like I find them and then build quicker. So like I do like a couple of pages of getting what it tells me to get. I've actually already at this stage built Wall-E technically. I've built the bigger one, I'll put it back there. It's got the bigger Wall-E there. But I also have built him digitally using stud.io. Right, I've got a few pages now, so let's go. We're on to page 4. So, don't know how long this is going to take me, so this will be a really good indication of how long this particular build, takes. Wall-E there. Already got the Wall-E. It's already there. It's already in. All these greys, right, do my head in, because you only notice you've got the rock type of grey afterwards. At the core of creativity lies the ability to take inspiration, and in this case, it's from Pixar's film Wall-E, and transform it into something. It's the journey of building something from nothing that truly defines the creative process. Being creative is like building something from scratch, just like constructing Lego Brickheadz or any other big project. It takes time, effort, and dedication. You have to plan, design, and work through the challenges that come along the way. Whether it's creating a masterpiece like Wall-E, or him with each trash cube to rebuild the city, or building with Lego, every idea, project, or business starts with a single brick. It's a gradual process that requires patience, perseverance, and the ability to problem solve. You have to be willing to put in the effort, even when it seems like progress is slow. Every obstacle and setback is an opportunity to learn, adapt, and grow. So if you're working on building something right now, remember that it takes time to bring your vision to life. But with each brick you lay, each challenge you overcome, you're one step closer to your goal. And when you finally stand back and see your creation in all its glory, it'll be worth it. The eyes are here. Look, I'm gonna put the eyes on, and then we're gonna show the camera. Eye. Eye. Woo. What is that? Pixar films, Wall-E isn't necessarily always up there. It's sometimes up there in like top 5s, but not necessarily number 1s, and it's definitely my number 1. So what is your best Pixar film? Let me know. Also, let me know what you think they should make more Brickheadz of for Lego, or just Lego sets that are Pixar related, because I'd be interested to know that as well. So in case I hadn't kind of convinced you of how good Wall-E is, even though I know obviously it's something I love, I just want to tell you about a few of the awards that Wall-E has won. And in particular I'm impressed with the last one, but the first one is an Oscar. I've got them right here. So, best animated feature film of the year in 2009. That's an Oscar. Best animated film 2009 BAFTA. Best feature film BAFTA Children's Award in 2008. And in 2012, so 4 years after it was made, it actually won an ACCA award for Best Animated Film of the Decade. Pretty impressed with that, as far as Wall-E goes. Right, let's get onto this build, let's carry on, we're nearly there. Nearly done Wall-E anyway. Wall-E, Wall-E. I've got 3 cameras at the moment, by the way, just to do this, so I could share this build with you. Right, look at this boot. Look at that. Look at the boot. That little boot. Look at it. Tiny. Tiny boot. Carry on. Last stages now, before we move on to Eve. And there's the little guy. It's cool, huh? Wall-E has a cruising speed of 20 miles an hour and a top downhill speed of 35 miles an hour. Wall-E stands for Waste Allocation Load Lifter Earth Class. Try saying this one fast. Eve stands for Extraterrestrial Vegetation Evaluator. In Wall-E, all of the past captains of the spaceship Axion are named after Pixar employees. The first time we see the colour green in the film is when Wall-E finds the plant. Here it is, the completed Lego Brickheadz Wall-E and Eve. And there it is, my first Lego build video. I really enjoyed creating this video. Hope you enjoyed watching along. If you did, don't forget to tap that like button. I'm Ray, this is Simply Create. Until next time, peace.